Marketing ESG products has become one of the most powerful opportunities in the niche finance marketing space, but it also requires an approach that feels authentic, data driven, and genuinely aligned with customer expectations. Investors today are not just looking for financial returns, they are looking for brands that reflect their values. But the biggest challenge is that ESG can feel abstract and overly technical, and most consumers only understand it at a surface level. This creates a unique opening for skilled financial marketers to turn complexity into clarity and values into action. When a brand communicates ESG in a way that feels real, relatable, and transparent, it captures attention far more effectively than traditional financial advertising ever could. The most successful ESG marketing strategies are built on connection instead of focusing on checkboxes or corporate jargon. This highlights stories of companies reducing emission, improving labor conditions, supporting ethical supply chains, or investing in long-term social progress. People resonate with examples that show ESG in motion, not ESG on paper. A campaign that illustrates how an ESG focused on portfolio funds green technology or support inclusive workspace spark for more engagement than simply listing metrics. The shift from data to narrative helps audience clearly see how their investment contribute to meaningful change. YouTube has become the perfect platform for content like this because viewers actively seek out explanations that break down ESG concept in simple engagement ways. Videos that show how ESG scoring works, how sustainable portfolios are built, or how companies are evaluating on governance tend to perform extremely well. High SEO keywords like ESG investment, explain sustainable finance, ethical investment, and ESG marketing strategies draw an audience looking for guidance they can trust. What separates the best channel from the rest? Inability to move beyond buzzwords and present ESG in a grounded, practical, and visually engaging way. The more you simplify the concept without watering it down, the more your content stands out. The market ESG products effectively transparency in non-negotiable customers. Consumers are increasingly aware of greenwashing, so vague promises or exaggerated claims can damage credibility instantly. Brands that succeed are the ones willing to show the framework behind the product, how companies are evaluated, what standards are used, where data comes from, and how potential risks are assessed. When marketers openly address both the strengths and limitation of ESG products, they position themselves as trustworthy guide instead of salespeople. Ultimately, marketing ESG product is about helping consumers feel confident that their money is not just growing, it's contributing to something bigger. It's about showing that finance can be responsible, modern, and aligned with the future people want to build. By educating audiences, delivering transparent insight, and sharing compelling stories of real impact, brand can ESG marketing that only performs well but build deep, lasting trust in rapidly evolving financial landscape.